Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to send a picture as snaps on Snapchat. So to do that, let's head over to our Snapchat application first. So once you are there, just take a snapshot or take a snap like I'm going to this one. I'm just snap. So once I've taken a snap, as you can see, this is my snap and there is a plus icon on the lower left corner. So I'm tapping on the plus icon and it is allowing me to when I it is allowing me to add more pictures. So there is an option just right below the 300 mark. Just click on them. It shows allow or import media. So I'm just selecting a picture from here. Let's say I'm selecting this one. I'm just clicking on tick mark, and here I'm just clicking on my snap that I took, and I am tapping on delete or the recycle bin box, and here click on delete. So you can see now it is only this clip or this of mine that I have added from my camera roll. So click on the tick mark and click on preview, and here goes the snap. Now tap send to. Now send to any of your friends. I'm sending to this group or this person. So once I have sent them, so let me show you in their snap box, their conversation box. As you can see, I have just now sent a camera roll picture as a snap. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next video.